Okay, and our final long vowel A sound is a quadgraph. Now, a quadgraph is a 4-letter sound, okay? 4 letters making one sound, okay? They are quite rare, quadgraphs. There's not many of them, but here is one, and it makes the A sound, as we know. A, A, A. Make sure you're saying that with me. A. So E, I, G, and H make the A sound. Okay, so let's put this quadgraph into some words. And the first one is way. Okay, way. W, A. Way. W, A. Way. Okay, way. Now, quite a can be a rude word if you ask somebody how they weigh in a sentence, so maybe don't do that. Okay, but yes, weigh. What is the weight of something? I will weigh the apples I will buy. Okay, weigh. 5 letters making 2 sounds there. Okay, so next one we have sleigh. 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 Okay, we've got 2 adjacent consonants here, so we want to blend them together. Sl to make the sl sound, make a sl sound. A, sleigh. Okay, I went on a husky sleigh ride. Could be a sentence. A, sleigh. Okay, so here we have how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letters. How many sounds? A, 1, 2, 3. 3 sounds there. And finally, we have a number, and it is, well, it can be 8 or it can be 18. Okay, so if I want to spell 8, it would be like this. 8, 8. Okay, but 18 will do a longer number, a bigger number. 18, 18, 18. Okay. 18, 18. He has turned 18 could be a sentence. 18, 18. Okay, so how many sounds does 18 have? 18. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sounds and 8 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I'm going to E sound here. E, 2-letter sound. Okay, so let's go through them all again together. Make sure you're saying it along with me at home to practice your pronunciation. We had the quadgraph A, way, way. Okay, sleigh, sleigh. And 8 or 18, 8 or 18. 18. Okay, very much for watching today. Please remember to like the video and subscribe as well. It would be great help growing the channel. Also, please share the video and leave a comment as well. Thanks again.